In this video we're gonna do a small production plant in order to produce three types of ball: red, blue and yellow are to be produced using same production line, so the same machine. All of it are fed into the system using one input conveyor. So all of them, they must go into the system using the same input. 30% of the blank unit are to become red, 35% blue, and another 35 are to be yellow. Processing time is 5, 4 and 2 minutes. And there are 3 labels operating on something. Only one is enough to do a job. And if every label is entitled to 1 hour break, but no 2 people to be on at the same time, so we have different breaks. And we need to batch different batching amount, 2 units, 3 for the blue and 5 for the yellow. Selling price is $20 per batch, and we have the labor wage, and raw material is $10 per unit. I think the raw material is a little bit so this one is 50, 30, $7 per unit. So the raw material is $7 per unit. If you have a problem how to do the if you have any problem how to do the flow chart and the animation, navigate, zooming in into hotkeys, you just refer to the videos and navigate available on Arena. Okay, so let's start doing the program. So we have the same system in, and so this is like this the only input of blank unit into the system, and 2 minutes per unit, so the entity 2 minutes per unit, so we have 1 every 2 minutes on average per blank unit. So the arrival is 2 minutes per unit. Okay, so this is the first one. We need assign, so it's 30% are red, 35 blue, 35 another blue. So assign different ability to walls and different colors. So we need add attribute type disk 30%, so 0.3, 1, 35% cumulative, so 0.65, 2 and 1, 3. So this is done, and we need different type of ball. So we have blue ball, red ball, green. I'm gonna delete this in case we don't like this yellow, so all we have to do is click here and yellow, change or update the color. So we have blue, and I'm gonna change Y ball, or you have to remember the spelling of so ball, red ball and Y ball. And we need the set of walls, type is picture, red ball, blue ball and Y ball. Okay, so we did them as an array of set of balls. So the first line is red, the second is blue, and the third is yellow. So we have to come here so we need to come here So we have to set the second one to attribute and the picture member set of balls type, and you need to make sure the set is set of balls. So I'm gonna update the flowchart and close. Okay, so this is the first two steps. Now we're gonna do the processing of this step. Let's try it if it works. I'm gonna try to see if it works. So we have blue, yellow, blue and red, so all is working. Gonna cut this one. I'm gonna bring the machine that will operate the system. Manual system, seize delay release. We have here set of operators, and the time I'm gonna leave for a second, come back to it in one. So we have operator 1, operator 2, and operator 3, and the set of operators have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is done. We need as well, from the description, we have 5 the red, 542, 542. So we have to come here, variable of v data is, so we have the processing time is gonna be as a 5, 4, 2. So this is the first step, and here is gonna be an expression, build expression, variable current value, and type. So if using the disk, if 30%, there's gonna be type will be equal to 1, and the attribute as if there's a tag stuck on the entity. So 30%, this value will be equal to 1. 35% will be type equal to, as would represent the blue ball, and another 35% will be equal to yellow. Okay, as type equal to 3. Okay, so this is the second step, operation manual based. Now I need to batch the unit. So batch size, I still don't know it. We have to go back to the description. We have 2, 3 and 5. Again to the variable, we have batch size, and I need to go back here, 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. I'm gonna close this, come back to the flowchart, and so the batch could be permanent, and build expression, variable current value, and type. Okay, any entity or by attribute name is type. Okay, so, and I'm gonna do decide n-way condition, and if attribute, which is type, is equal and is equal to 2 or equal to 3, so this one will be red, duplicate blue, and this one will be yellow. So I'm gonna link this. This one is red balls, blue and yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna link remaining of the system. We save it. Let's see how does it work. So here's the operation. I'm gonna stop this because definitely this is an hour. We need a minute. So this is the red, it goes here, and this is the blue, and we need like 5 of yellows, and it is fine and it's working properly. Okay, working properly. If I need to change if we need to change the picture of the entity after the batch, with the same way we've done it here, a set of entity. Okay, so let's do the last part, which is the selling price of all entities. So I'm gonna do just the red and the yellow, and the other are just exactly the same. So this one is, we need the selling price, which is $20 for all of them, and the description and raw material cost is $7 per unit. Okay, so this will be part 2 of the video. It's tackling the financial aspect of this model. Okay, thank you.